Hey teachers, this is the instructional guide for primary 2, week 3. Right, for this week there are 2 booklets, and they are all on word problems. So let's just skip to the guided practice. All right, solve the word problem, show your work clearly. So for this part, you have to remind them. Right, let's read the story. Ratna has 3 boxes of pencils. There are 5 pencils in each box. How many pencils does Ratna have in all, which means total, right? Total altogether. Okay, so what students should pick up is 3 boxes. 3 boxes, this actually stands for groups. Remind them that this means 3 groups, right? And in each group, right? In each group, how many pencils are there? There are 5. So the equation is 3 groups of 5, which is 3 times 5, okay? And then equals 15, right? So that's the way that do this question. What about this question here? So this is a bit different. George has 40 cans of soda. He puts the cans equally into 5 boxes. So again, boxes usually means groups. So what happened here is 40 cans are put equally into 5 groups, which means each group will have the same number of cans. So you got to ask them, right? Would that be a multiplication or division question? When you put equally, you are sharing equally. All right, so they should be able to say it's division. So it's 40 divided by 5 equals to 8. Now, many of them would probably not know yet 40 divided by 5 equals 8, right? So they need to try a few ways, a couple of ways, right? So they may do 5 times which number? Okay, we'll give them 40. Okay, if they are unsure, you can always get them to do, okay, so 5, right? 5 boxes, right? So there are 5 boxes. Now, what do I do, right? How many do I put in, right? 40 marbles equally into 5 boxes to get 8. So they got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and so on. All right. And then you realize that you have 8 dots. That's it. So they have to do it this way if they don't know their times table well. All right. So let's see how we can facilitate to help them. So finish up this question 3 as well. And then we will skip to 3 and 2. The idea is just get them to know that whether they know when to do multiplication, when to do division, right? Make sure that they write the statements at the end. And then again, write 7 and 8 for them to try. Okay. And let's see, after that, I'm skipping actually a lot of questions because I think they are quite okay with it. Okay, so page 1826, we bought 5 necklaces, which cost $10. How much did we pay? So 5 necklaces, like 5 groups, 5 times $10. Reason why I'm getting them to do this, right, is take note that they must write the currency in, right? The unit of measurement. Many would just say 50, and that's wrong. So they have to write at least pay $50. This one is a bit different, right? At least buy some blue pens and green pens. She buys an equal number. So that means blue and green is the same. If they're unable to see it, they can draw a model like that. This is half of it, right? This is blue, this is green. And then if this is 8 pens altogether, it'd be 8 pens divided by 2 groups, right? 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Okay. For this one, maybe we can just get them to do as homework, right? But for check, ask them how many wheels are there on a bicycle. So please get them right. Bicycle is 2 wheels. So if there are 18 wheels altogether, it would be 18 divided by 2, right? So no need doing class, but make sure that they know how to do that. Or rather they understand the concept of they're able to see that there are 2 wheels per bicycle. Let's move on to the next booklet. So for this one, it's basically repetitive of what they have done early on. What I'll do is I'm going to skip quite a lot of questions and get to some of the more challenging ones. So for example, Mary takes 2 buses right every day. How many bus rides does Mary take in a week? So you got to ask them in a week, how many days are there? Then they'll be together, right? 7 times 2. Other questions that may be more challenging with this one here, right? Because they are useless information. So get them read the question. There are 30 desks and 32 chairs in the exam hall. The desks are arranged in 10 equal rows. How many desks? In other words, right, they don't even have to worry about the chairs at all, right? Question is only asking about 10 desks. All right, get them take note of that. Okay, this is the harder one. A shop sells one pack of 2 apples for $1, so 2 apples equals $1, and Haris buy 10 apples from the shops. How much does Harun pay for the apples? So you might want to write from them. One group, okay, of 2 apples is equals to $1. So first thing that we need to know is he bought 10 apples. How many groups are there? So 10 divided by 2, right, per group, right, equals 5. So there are actually 5 groups. So one group of $2 is, sorry, one group of 2 apples is $5. Sorry, it's $1. What am I saying? So 5 groups would be equals to, right? I did not write it up because I'm not using a mouse. So it's actually 5 times $1, right? Equals $5, and they write the statement. Okay, so they demonstrate this question for them. And that's it, right, for this week's topic. Thank you.